Hello student, good morning. I am Dr.A.K Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss nomenclature of alkyl halide and aryl halide. Last class I have discussed the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now I am going to discuss nomenclature. Okay. First, I will discuss the nomenclature of alkyl halide. The common name of alkyl halides are derived by naming the alkyl group followed by the halide. First alkyl group, after that halide. Alkyl halides are named as halosubstituted hydrocarbons. Alkyl halides are named as halosubstituted hydrocarbons in the IUPAC system of the nomenclature. IUPAC, I think you are knowing full form, International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Haloarenes are the common as well as the IUPAC name of the aryl halide. Haloarenes are the common as well as IUPAC names of aryl halides. For dihalogen derivatives, the prefixes ortho, meta, para are used in the common system, but in IUPAC system the numerals 1, 2, again 1, 3 and 1, 4 are used. Already I have discussed previously that is nomenclature chapter. Now this is specialized for alkyl halide and aryl halide, means haloalkane and haloarenes. Now example I am giving you, CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. 3 carbons are there, CH3, CH2, CH2, Br, means bromine. Three carbons are there and one bromine is attached. Then what will its common name? CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. Then just in an easy way you can tell 3 carbons are there and it is alkane. Then 3 means propane, but here one hydrogen is substituted with one bromine, hence propane will become propyl, and bromine is attached, that's why it is called propyl bromide, and because it is a straight chain, CH3, CH2 and Br, then this is a normal N, a small n. Then its a common name is N-propyl bromide, N-propyl bromide. Okay, N-propyl bromide is the common name. What it's a IUPAC name? Then now 3 carbons are there. Then with first carbon Br is attached. Then you can number only from that carbon. Then means first carbon is where bromine is attached, that carbon is 1. Then other will be second and third will be 3 only. Then its name will be 1-bromo, and because 3 carbons are there, then it will be propane, 1-bromo propane. Like that way, other examples I am telling you. CH3 CH, 3. Again 3 carbon is there. Then first is CH3, last is also CH3. In the middle CH is there. And from that middle carbon Cl is attached. Okay, 3 carbon is there. CH3, second carbon CH, third carbon CH3. Then with the middle Cl is attached. Then what will be its name? Then common name easily you can tell, because 3 carbons are there, then it will be related to propane only. Then because chloride ion is attached, then propane will be called propyl. And Cl is attached with the central carbon, then it will be called isopropyl chloride. And this is the common name. What will be IUPAC name? Then now again you can think only 3 carbons are there, then you can start numbering from any one corner, any one end. Then whatever be, Cl will be in the middle only. Cl will be only in the middle, means it will be 2. Then what will be the name, IUPAC name? Then 2 chloro and 3 carbon was there, then propane, 2 chloropropane. Correct? Now another example I am telling you, that now CH3, CH, CH2, Cl. CH3, 3 carbons are there, but in the middle carbon, with middle carbon 1 methyl group is attached, means total 4. But main branch is propane only, CH3, CH, CH2, Cl. But where CH is there, there only with that carbon methyl group is attached, CH3. Then what will be the common name? Then now again with the middle carbon methyl group is attached, then it will be iso. It will be called iso, and total carbon is 4. Then isobutyl chloride. Correct? Total 4 carbons are there. With the second carbon CH3, CH, CH2, Cl. Then with middle carbon CH3 is attached. That's why its name is iso. But total 4 carbons are there, and Cl is attached. Then it will be called isobutyl chloride. Because one chloride is attached, just like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. Like that way pentyl, hexyl, heptyl, octyl, like that way name is given, Then common name is isobutyl chloride. Now what will be the IUPAC name? Then now this Cl is attached with first carbon, and methyl is attached with second carbon. Then alphabetically you have to do nomenclature. Alphabetically you have to do naming. Then first carbon Cl is there, then you can tell first chloro, 1 dash chloro. After that 2, carbon number 2, methyl is there. Then 1 chloro, after that 2 methyl propane. But methyl when you are writing, when 2 you are writing 2 methyl propane, then 2, before 2 and after 2 dash will be there. Okay, before 2, after 2 dash will be there. Then correct name will be 1 dash chloro, dash 2 dash methyl propane. Means 2 you are writing, 2 methyl, then before 2 1 dash and after 2 1 dash. Then you write methyl propane. Then 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. Now come to the this arene, this aryl halide, or haloarene, haloalkane and haloarene. Now I am talking about haloarene, means this now you will give importance for benzene. Okay, aryl halide. Aryl is related to phenyl group, benzyl group of benzene. Benzene will be there. From that benzene, halogen will be attached. Sometimes 1, sometimes 2 halogen. Both halogen may be same. Sometimes both halogen may be different. Position will differ. And sometimes 3 you can say halogen, different halogen may be there. Correct? Their position will be different. Then now just I am giving first example with benzene ring, 1 bromine is attached. 1 H gone, at its place 1 bromine atom is attached. Okay. Then what will be its common name? Then common name will be bromobenzene. And what will be IUPAC name? IUPAC, then it will be the same name, bromobenzene. Common name and IUPAC name both are same. Now with one benzene, two bromine is attached, 2 Br is attached. One is at ortho position and other is at meta position. 2 bromine is attached, means 2 hydrogen replaced with 2 bromine atom in benzene ring. Then now what will be the common name? Then one position is this things para position you can tell, and this actually two bromine atoms are there. Then in comparison to any one you can name the other. Okay, in comparison to first bromine, what are the other position, that name you have to tell. Okay, then so one bromine may be attached anywhere, but with respect to this bromine, where are other? Then if just after the bromine where is attached, just after that it is attached next carbon, then it will be ortho position. After that, next to this it will be meta, and next to meta it will be para, P-A-R-A, para or para you can tell. Okay. Then now here, according to this, with respect to first bromine, it is the meta position, just after the ortho, meta is there. Okay. Then now what will be the common name? Two bromine are attached with benzene. Then you have to give value for position. What is the position? The meta position is there. M, a small m means meta. Then M, you can write meta dibromo, because 2 bromines are there, is there. 2 bromine is attached. Then meta dibromo benzene. And after the meta, M you write a dash, a small m dash, dibromo benzene. Here di you write in a capital letter D. Dibromo means 2-bromine, benzene. What will be the IUPAC name for this? Then now I told you number you have to write, numerals you have to write. First you can write 1 and then it will be third position. Second nothing is there, ortho position nothing, third. Then first and third you have to use. Means 1, 3 dibromobenzene. 1, 3, after that dash you can write and then dibromobenzene. Okay. Now one more example I am telling you. Now with benzene ring, 3 bromines are attached. 3 BRs are attached. Okay. Then it will be tribromo, that is clear. But with respect to the any one bromine, other position you have to tell. Same way. Then suppose first bromine, you are with respect to that first, now it is at third carbon. For starting from the first, means after ortho med, it is one is meta position. And again para is nothing. After that next again meta will come. You know that right side 3 position and left side 3 position, that you know. Then now it after the meta para will start and left side again it will go 1 position ahead, then will be again meta position. Okay. Then because all are at equidistance means 1 carbon gap is there between 2 bromine, 1 carbon is gap, means first third is there and 4 nothing is there, again 5th is there, 1 3 5, then 1 gap is there between the 2 bromine, 1 carbon is there gap. Then you can tell symmetric means same uniform type, symmetrical same type, unsymmetrical means different. Then you can tell SYM symmetrical dash tribromobenzene, symmetrical dash tribromobenzene. Now what is the IUPAC name? Then IUPAC name is, now all things will be the same, only numeral you have to write 1 3 5, 1 3 5, 1 comma 3 comma 5, after that a small dash, because you are making some change, that's why dash you are adding. Then 1 comma 3 comma 5 dash tribromobenzene. Naming is the same for both, only position difference is there. Numeral you are writing. Then this I have told you about the common name of this aryl halide. Now again one more these things, some numerical, it is somewhat difficult. That example I want to give you. Okay. Here now example is first you can write that total carbon is 5. Okay, 5 pentane, what we are telling, pentane. Center 1 carbon is there, with that carbon 4 methyl group is attached, one up other down, one is left other is right. Total 4 methyl group is attached with the center. Then this is the pentane, you know. But with any one methyl, Cl is attached. You can think like that. Cl is attached. Then it will be 1 chloro. because everywhere up to down we will take, consider then 3 are there. 3 carbons, pentane like that, up to down, because in the center, with this center, 2 methyl group is attached, one up, other down, and again one left, other right. Then including center, in both cases 3 are there, it means propane. Any one chain you can consider. Then now what will be the IUPAC name? Only IUPAC name. For this you can't tell the common name. Okay, already told which is easily available and old, that is a given common name. But now it is somewhat long, hence common name is not there, only IUPAC name. Then now its name will be, because chlorine atom is attached with first carbon, then you can tell one chloro, only that chain you consider as a longest chain to which chlorine atom is attached. Okay, then naming you can start only from there, one chloro, but in the center with center carbon 2 methyl group is attached, hence you can tell 2,2-dimethyl, because with carbon, center carbon means carbon number 2 methyl group is attached, hence you have to tell 2,2-dimethyl. And finally it is a propane. Then in IUPAC name, and the end you have to write alkane name. Here alkane name is a propane. You write propane. Hence complete name now I am telling you, 1 chloro 2,2-dimethyl propane. 1 chloro 2,2 dimethyl propane. When same thing 2 times is coming, then 2 you write, 3 you write, correct, like that way. And 1 and chloro means 1 dash you write, 1 dash, after the 1 you write dash, then you write chloro, 1 chloro. Same way 2 you have written, then before 2 1 dash, and after the second 2 1 dash, then 1 dash chloro. After that 2 you have written, then before the first 2 1 dash, and after the second 2 1 dash, and so 1 chloro 1 dash chloro dash 2, 2 dash dimethyl propane. Now this one more example I am telling you. Actually you have to do many, but now one by one I will tell you. Now another example is that propane is there, propyl you can see, CH3, CH and again CH3. 3 carbons are there. First carbon CH3, last carbon CH3, in the middle CH is there, and with the middle Br is attached, bromine is attached. Then it is very simple name, only IUPAC. Then carbon number 2 bromine is attached, hence easily you can tell 2-bromopropane, and not 2-bromopropane, 3 are there, 3 carbon, 2-bromopropane, but with 2 you write 2, after that dash, and bromopropane you are writing, then that is the main, just like in a sentence when you start you are writing with capital letter, same way here 2-bromopropane. Okay, then this I have discussed about the few compounds. Again further I am telling you, this dihaloalkanes having the same type of halogen atoms. More about the IUPAC name I am telling you. This is the ordinary rule I discussed. Now special rules. The dihaloalkanes, dihalo means 2 halogen will be there. The dihaloalkanes having the same type of halogen atoms are named as alkyl, alkylidine you can tell, alkylidine. If two halogens are attached, same type of halogen atoms are attached, then alkylidine or alkylene dihalide. Two names you can give. Alkylidine, D-E-N-E, ene means double bond. Because when two chloride will attached, then possibility is for double bond. Or other name is alkylene dihalide. The dihalo compounds, when two halogens are attached, the dihalo compounds having same type of halogen atoms are further classified as geminal halides. G-E-M-I-N-A-L, geminal halides. Halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom. Okay. This I told you geminal halides. Halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom. And other type I am talking about vicinal halide. Vicinal. Vicinal means halogen atoms are present on the adjacent carbon atoms, not on the same carbon atom. Adjacent means close to that carbon. Both carbons should be close. That is called adjacent carbon atom. If two carbon same you can say halogens are attached. Two halogen atoms are same halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms, then it is called vicinal halide. In common name system, GEM shortcut, gem dash dihalides are named. Gem dihalides are named as alkylidine halide or vis dihalide. VIC, vis means vicinal. Correct? VIC, vis dash dihalides. Okay. Now example I will give you, and for this also you can tell alkylene dihalide. Okay, alkylene dihalide also you can tell. Now example I am telling you these things, particularly IUPAC. In IUPAC system, they are named as dihaloalkanes. Now you told gem and vicinal, correct? But in IUPAC, same type of condition is there. Then what you will tell means on the same carbon, two halogen is attached. And again, just like this vicinal means adjacent carbon, two halogens are attached, same halogen. Then in IUPAC name, what name will be given? Here you have this. I have told you many name, alkylene and gem and vicinal. All things I have discussed. Now in IUPAC name, then now with example you understand CH3 CHCl2, two carbons are there, CH3 and again CHCl2, means with the same carbon two Cl is attached, and in that carbon only one hydrogen is there. First carbon is CH3, and with second carbon two chlorine atom is attached and one hydrogen is there, because both carbons are joined by a single bond. Then what will be the name? Then first I will tell the common name. Its name will be what I discussed. According to that common name, ethylidene chloride. Okay, ethylidene, D-E-N-E, ethylidene chloride, or you can tell Gem dihalide, common name, G-E-M, Gem dash dihalide. Di means two, halide means halogen. Then both are common name, ethylidene chloride, or you can tell Gem dihalide. Now other example for vicinal I am telling you, CH2, CH2, and with both carbon, Cl is attached at adjacent carbon, Cl is attached, two Cls are there. Then according to common name, what will the common name and what will the IUPAC name? Now I am telling you. Common name will be ethylene, because two carbon is there, then ethylene, E-N-E, dichloride, ethylene dichloride. Okay, ethylene dichloride. Why you are telling bond is only single between carbon single bond is there? Then why you are telling or why it is told that these things E-N-E in ethylene? What is the purpose? This is a very, very important concept here. Here actually what happened that it was actually ethylene, parents was ethylene. Now actually that time it was double bond. Then one bond broken and then one bond means two chlorine. Each has taken 1-1. Each carbon has taken 1-1 electron, and 1-1 chlorine at 1-1 electron is given by chlorine. Then because parent was in, E-N-E, in, now double became single between carbon and carbon. That's why it is called on that basis ethylene dichloride. Ethylene dichloride. Here also in a CH3, CHCl2, what I discussed, also E-N-E it is coming, ethylidene chloride. Ethylidene, E-N-E you are using for the same reasoning. But only thing is that on the same carbon two chlorine atom attached, and with the other carbon hydrogen gone. But when it will be in the double bond, then carbon will have only two hydrogen. Each carbon will have only two hydrogen. Correct? Then that's why name has been given ethylidene chloride. Okay, double bond in the just as parents. What was the parents according to that? Ethylidene chloride. Then ethylidene chloride is also called Gem dihalide, CH3, CHCl2. But in here, vicinal chloride, when adjacent carbon Cl is attached, its name will be ethylene dichloride or vis dihalide. Okay. And what will be the IUPAC name? What will be the IUPAC name? Then IUPAC name is very easy. You can start numbering from any 1 or 2, only 2 are there, 1 or 2. Then its name will be 1 or 2, 1,2 dichloroethane. Correct? In IUPAC name, alkane name is written and the end. Then 1 or 2 dash dichloroethane. And dichloroethane, di you write with capital, just like any sentence you are starting and writing in capital letters somewhere. Then this I have told you about the IUPAC. Okay. Now other examples I am telling you that a common common name and IUPAC name of some halides. Halides may be both alkyl or aryl. Question is asked. Okay, that's why I am telling you other name also. A structure generally will be given. A structure if they are given, then IUPAC name you have to write. or when IUPAC name is given, then a structure you have to write. Two type of question is asked in nomenclature. Okay. Then now just you think in mind, because in examination you have to think in mind only all the things. No paper will be provided. Paper in the end they are giving only one page, that is not sufficient. Then you try to understand only in mind. That is the best way, and your mind will be sharp also. If you think in mind, then your mind will be sharp. It is also, you can tell, exercise of your mind. Then now one example, first example I am telling you, few examples I will tell you. That first I am telling you CH3, CH2, CH. Total 4 carbons are there, and with second carbon Cl is attached. Then now it is very easy. It is very easy to name common name. Common name will be cause Cl is attached with second carbon, and that carbon is attached with neighboring 2 carbons. That carbon is attached with 2 carbons, one left side, other right side. Correct? Then obviously it will be secondary, and total carbon is 4. Then secondary butyl chloride. Secondary butyl chloride. This is the common name. What will be IUPAC name for this? Then very easy. Carbon number 2, chlorine is attached. Then 2-chloro, and after that butane you write. 2-chloro, butane. I told you in IUPAC name, alkane name is written. Then here is a butane. Now another question I am telling you, second one. Now actually there are total 5 carbons are there. Means it is actually, it's a pentane. Pentane, with pentane bromine is attached. Already I have discussed these things. Okay, CH3 whole 3, CH2. All included 4 methyl groups are attached, but fourth one hydrogen gone, one Br has come, and 3 CH3 you can write CH3 whole 3, C, and then CH2 Br. Okay, pentyl bromide actually. Then common name is neopentyl bromide. When every side CH3, 4 CH3 is attached with carbon, then it is called neo, N-E-O. Then it is called neopentyl bromide. Common name is neopentyl bromide. Whenever with the center carbon 4 methyl group is attached, that is called neopentane, neo. But here bromide is attached, then you can tell neopentyl. Pentane will become pentyl. Okay, in common name YL you are using, pentyl, butyl, propyl, like that way YL you are using. But in IUPAC, alkane name you are writing. And now alkane, how will you tell for this in IUPAC? Then now you can tell that with first carbon only Br is attached. Then 1 bromo, and in the middle carbon 2 methyl is attached. Correct? 2 methyl. Then 1 bromo, 2 dimethyl propane. Okay, already this also I have discussed. Now same way CH3 whole 3 is there, and fourth one is only Br is bromine is attached. Okay, here with the central 3 methyl group is attached. Fourth one is no CH3, in its place Br is there. Then what will its name? Then obviously central carbon is attached with 3 carbon. Then it became tertiary. Then now total carbon is 4, 3 CH3, 1 center. Total 4. Then it will become butyl. Then tertiary butyl bromide. Common name is tertiary butyl bromide. And what will be the IUPAC name? Then with carbon number 2, now if you will write this CH3 whole 3 is there, then one CH3 will be up, other will be down, and one will be right side. Then now here total actually it will be propane. Continuously 3, if continuously 3 carbon you will consider, one is in the center, one is up, other is down, and one is right side. Means at carbon number 2 methyl group is also there and bromide is also there, only at carbon number 2. Okay, one up, middle, center, again down. This chain you have to consider. Then bromide is attached with second carbon and one methyl is attached with second carbon. Then now IUPAC name will be 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Correct? 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Now again CH2 double bond CHCl is there. Already I have discussed these things. CH2 double bond CHCl. Then actually it is a vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride, because double bond is there, only 2 carbon is there. And double bond is there, CH2 it should be, but one H gone and its place one Cl came. Then it is called vinyl chloride. And what is the IUPAC name? Then 2 carbon is there, then it will be, and double bond is there, then ethane will become ethene. Ethane will become ethene because double bond is there. Then chloroethene. IUPAC name is chloroethene. Like that way, again you can say 3 carbons are there. Then carbon number 1 and 2 double bond is there. Between carbon number 1 and 2 means 3 carbons are there. Between the 2 double bond is there. And again you can say between the other 2 carbon only single bond is there. And in a starting bromine is attached. Means with third carbon bromine is attached. One Br is attached. Total 3 carbons are there. CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, and then Br is attached with this carbon, third one. Then this is called, because double bond is there between 2 carbon, one double bond, then it will be allyl. When 3 carbons are there and between the 2 carbon double bond is there, one double bond is there, then it is called allyl bromide. Allyl bromide, common name, allyl bromide. And IUPAC name is very easy. Actually, when double bond, from where it is starting, that carbon will 1. You can give numbering from that carbon only. Then carbon number 1 and 2 double bond was there, and first that carbon is 1, after that second, and third will be 3. Then with 3 Br is there. Then now we can tell 3-bromo propene, not propane, propene. Now next example I am telling you, that is with benzene, one Cl is attached and one methyl is attached, and both are adjacent position. This Cl and CH3 both are attached with adjacent position, both H gone. From one carbon one H gone, Cl came, and with other carbon again one H gone and one CH3 came. Then what will be the common name? Then with respect to one group, Cl you can consider with respect to Cl, other is at next carbon is ortho. Then if a CH3 you are considering as a with respect to CH3, then that will be ortho, Cl will be at ortho, both are at ortho position. Hence you can tell orthochlorotoluene, because benzene, with benzene one CH3 is there, then that will be called toluene or methyl benzene. you can tell common name chloromethyl benzene, or you can tell other name orthochlorotoluene, because with the benzene, if benzene has CH3, one CH3 is attached, then toluene, and ortho position chlorine is there, then orthochlorotoluene, and IUPAC name, then carbon number 1 Cl is there, carbon number 2 methyl is there, both are continuous, then 1 chloro, 2 methyl, because carbon number 2 methyl is there, then 1 chloro, 2 methyl, and now benzene you write, benzene, because both are attached with benzene, then 1 chloro, 2 methyl, benzene, and other name is also you can tell 2-chlorotoluene. 2-chlorotoluene means numeral you are using, 2-chlorotoluene. Now next example I am telling you. Now with benzene CH2Cl is attached. CH2Cl is attached. Then this is actually called benzyl chloride. Not chlorobenzene. It is not directly Cl is attached with benzene ring. CH2 is there, in that CH2Cl is attached. First CH3 attached, and from that CH3 one H gone, one Cl came. It became CH2Cl. That is called benzyl chloride. A very important compound. Benzyl chloride, common name is benzyl chloride. And what is the actually IUPAC name? Then chlorophenyl methane. You can also understand like that. Methane was there. Methane CH4. Then out of 4 H, 1 H gone. Cl came. Then now 3 H is there. Then now again suppose second H gone and benzene came. Then in the term of methane, you can tell that what you will tell that here you can tell in term of methane. Then you can tell chlorophenyl methane, because one chlorine is attached with methyl. In term of methane, one then chloro, due to one chlorine you are telling chloro, and one benzene is attached, that is a phenyl group, C6H5, phenyl or benzyl. Okay, phenyl, generally IUPAC name is phenyl. Then chlorophenyl methane. Now next example is CH2Cl2. Then it is very easy. CH2Cl2, methylene chloride. Already I discussed methylene chloride, or IUPAC name is dichloromethane. CH3, it is a chloroform. All are the methane compound. With methane, two hydrogen gone and 2 Cl came. That's why it is called dichloromethane or methylene chloride. IUPAC name is dichloromethane. And now 3 hydrogen gone, 3 Cl came in methane. Then it is called chloroform. And now you can tell, because 3 Cl is there, then trichloromethane. And now like that way CHBr3, that is the bromoform. Same, just like a chloroform, bromoform. Name is also same, tribromomethane. Now suppose all H is replaced by chlorine atom. 4H replaced by 4 chlorine atom. It became CCl4, means carbon tetrachloride. And what will be IUPAC name? Then tetrachloromethane, because it came from the methane, then tetrachloromethane. And one more I want to tell you. Suppose now with propane, 1 H gone and 1 F came. Then it became propyl. Then F is attached, fluorine is attached. Then what you will tell? Normal propyl fluoride. Normal, because it is a straight chain. N-propyl fluoride. And And what will be the IUPAC name? Then 1-fluoropropane. 1-fluoropropane. Now I am stopping only here. Next class some practice is there, I will discuss, and then I will discuss other term, nature of C and X bond. Nature of CX bond I will discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you.